There is a silent, invisible architecture that shapes every single financial life in America. It's not taught in schools, and it's rarely discussed at the dinner table. It operates constantly, day and night. This architecture has a blueprint, and unknowingly, most people are using a version that's designed for collapse. They follow its flawed plans, wondering why their financial house is always unstable, no matter how hard they work. But a very small number of people have found a different blueprint, one that is designed not just for stability, but for inevitable growth. It looks deceptively simple, almost too easy to be true. The difference between these two blueprints is not a matter of income, luck, or even genius-level intelligence. It's about understanding a single, fundamental force that governs the flow of money in your life. Most people believe wealth is built through grand gestures, a big promotion, a hot stock pick, or a successful business launch. They wait for these big, seismic events, hoping one will finally change their fortunes. The wealthy know the truth is the exact opposite. They know that massive financial success isn't built on a few big decisions, but on the compound effect of thousands of tiny, seemingly insignificant daily actions. This is the secret. The invisible architecture isn't about what you do once a year or once a month. It's about the system you run every single day, automatically, without fail. My name is Zoe. I've seen this system transform lives, and it relies on a foundation of daily habits. What is the one small recurring expense you have that you suspect is costing you more than just money in the long run? Share your thoughts below. Your answer might reveal more than you think. And be sure to subscribe for more insights. Today, I am going to give you the alternative blueprint, a 5-step daily protocol that rebuilds your financial life from the ground up. It's a system designed to make wealth accumulation the default setting. This isn't about wishful thinking or motivation. It's about installing a new operating system for your finances, one that works for you even on days you don't feel like it. We begin with a principle I call the financial mirror. It takes 60 seconds and is the non-negotiable first step. It's the foundation upon which everything else is built, a simple act of observation. Every morning, before your feet even hit the floor, before the chaos of the day begins, you will look at 3 numbers: your primary checking account balance, your total investment portfolio value, and your total outstanding debt. You are not to judge these numbers. You are not to analyze them or create a plan around them in that moment. Your only job is to observe. Just look. Be aware. This daily act of observation signals to your brain that these numbers matter. They are not abstract concepts to be reviewed quarterly. They are the vital signs of your financial health, checked daily. The psychological impact is profound. What you measure, you manage. When you see these numbers every 24 hours, your subconscious mind begins working to improve them, even when you aren't actively thinking about it. This simple habit breaks the cycle of financial avoidance. Many people are afraid to look at their bank accounts. The anxiety is too high, but this avoidance is precisely what allows bad situations to get worse. The financial mirror normalizes the act of looking. After a few weeks, the numbers lose their emotional power. They are no longer a source of shame or fear, but simply data points. This emotional neutrality is the key that unlocks rational decision-making. You cannot fix a problem you are unwilling to look at. This habit forces you to look, and in doing so, it starts the process of change. The second protocol in our system is the future dividend. This is where we move from passive observation to active wealth creation. It is the most powerful automated wealth-building tool you can deploy. Most people try to save what is left after spending. This is a losing strategy. The future dividend flips the script entirely. You pay your future self first before anyone or anything else gets a chance. Here's the mechanism. You will set up an automatic daily transfer from your checking account to a dedicated investment or high-yield savings account. This is not a monthly transfer. It must be daily. Let's say you start with just $10. A monthly transfer of $300 feels significant. It's a noticeable chunk of money leaving your account, which can trigger a sense of loss and resistance. A daily transfer of $10, however, is almost invisible. It's the cost of a fancy coffee. It doesn't trigger loss aversion. It just happens silently in the background, without any emotional drama. Yet, the result is the same. $300 moved into your wealth-building account each month. But the daily habit does more than just move money. It builds an identity. After 1 month, you have made 30 deposits into your future. After 1 year, that number is 365. You are no longer someone trying to save. You are a person who saves. Daily. Start with an amount that feels completely painless. $5 daily is $1,825 a year. $20 daily is $7,300 a year. These sums are far from modest when the average American saves almost nothing. This habit compounds not just your money, but your belief in yourself. Each successful transfer is a vote for your future self. It's a quiet declaration that your future is a priority today. The third protocol is what I call the expense autopsy. If the future dividend addresses your income, this habit addresses your outflow. It's a 2-minute review that brings radical clarity to your spending. Every evening, before you go to bed, you will open your banking or credit card app and look at the day's transactions. The goal is not to shame yourself, but to understand yourself. For each transaction, you will perform a quick mental autopsy. Ask one question. Was this purchase a conscious choice aligned with my goals, or was it a reactive impulse driven by an external trigger? Was that lunch out a deliberate social plan, or was it because you were unprepared and stressed? Was that online purchase something you truly needed, or were you bored and scrolling through social media? Reviewing your spending daily instead of monthly is critical because the emotional context is still fresh. You remember the feeling that led to the purchase. This is where the real patterns are revealed. Within 2 weeks of this habit, you will know your spending triggers intimately. Maybe it's stress. Maybe it's boredom. Maybe it's a specific time of day or a certain social setting. Once you identify the triggers, you can proactively design your life to mitigate them. This is infinitely more effective than relying on willpower to resist temptation. Awareness is the cure. This 2-minute habit transforms your relationship with money. You stop being a passive participant in your own spending and become a conscious decision maker, aligning your daily actions with your long-term vision. Our fourth daily protocol is the 15-minute income engine. This habit is about increasing the amount of money flowing into your life in the first place. It is a direct investment in your single greatest asset, you. Every single day, you will dedicate 15 minutes to learning a skill that increases your market value. This is non-negotiable. It is as important as any other financial habit in this system. This could be anything from reading a book about your industry to taking an online course on coding, sales, or digital marketing. It could be studying negotiation tactics or learning how to use a new piece of software. The cumulative effect of this habit is staggering. 15 minutes a day adds up to over 90 hours of focused development over the course of a year. That's the equivalent of 2 full work weeks dedicated to upskilling. Imagine 2 people starting their careers. One goes home and consumes entertainment. The other invests 15 minutes daily into their professional development. After 5 years, who is more valuable to the marketplace? The daily learner will get the promotions. They will command higher salaries. They will have the skills and confidence to pivot to new opportunities or even start their own ventures. Their income potential compounds. The 15-minute threshold is intentional. It's short enough to be easily integrated into any schedule, but long enough to facilitate meaningful progress. The key is unwavering consistency. Don't get caught up in what to learn. Just start. The act of daily learning itself builds momentum. Your earning power is not fixed. It is a dynamic asset that you can either grow or allow to atrophy. The final protocol that ties the entire system together is the next day blueprint. This is a 3-minute evening habit that ensures your success for the following day is planned and intentional. Before you end your day, you will take 3 minutes to quickly plan your financial actions for tomorrow. This leverages a powerful psychological principle known as an implementation intention. A vague goal like, "I'll be better with money tomorrow," is useless. A specific plan like, "Tomorrow I will skip the coffee shop, pack my lunch, and I will not open any retail apps on my phone," is a blueprint for success. You will anticipate your spending decisions. You will identify potential triggers for reactive spending and decide in advance how you will handle them. You make the decisions before you are tired and depleted of willpower. This brief planning session also includes deciding what you will focus on during your 15-minute learning block. This removes the friction of having to decide in the moment, making you more likely to follow through. This 3-minute investment of time has an incredible return. It saves you from decision fatigue, protects you from impulsive choices, and hardwires your brain for the next day's success. It makes winning the day automatic. Now, let's see how these 5 protocols create a seamless, self-reinforcing financial operating system. Your day begins with the financial mirror, activating your financial awareness. It sets the tone for the entire day. Your future dividend transfer happens automatically in the background, a silent confirmation of your commitment. Seeing the result of this in your morning check-in provides a powerful positive feedback loop. Throughout the day, the awareness sparked by your morning routine influences every small financial choice. That impulse buy is now weighed against the goals you are actively tracking and funding. At your designated time, you engage your 15-minute income engine. This habit builds your capacity and confidence, directly fueling your ability to earn more and accelerate your progress toward your financial goals. In the evening, your expense autopsy provides critical feedback on your daily performance, revealing patterns and opportunities for improvement. It is a data-driven approach to personal finance, not an emotional one. Finally, you conclude with the next day blueprint, using the insights from your autopsy to create a winning plan for tomorrow. You go to sleep knowing you are prepared and in control. The total time commitment for this entire system is less than 30 minutes per day. Yet, the impact of these 180 daily hours per year is more profound than any weekend seminar or annual review. This daily system succeeds where monthly budgets fail because the feedback loops are immediate. You get daily data on your performance, allowing for rapid course correction. A budget tells you where your money went. This system directs it. It survives life's chaos better than any long-term plan. If you miss a day, you haven't ruined a month. You just get back on the system the next day. The resilience is built into the frequency of the habits. Let's discuss the implementation. Trying to adopt all 5 habits at once is a recipe for failure. Instead, we will use a staggered system activation sequence. It's a patient, deliberate build. In week 1, you will implement only the financial mirror. Just 60 seconds each morning. That's it. Anchor this one habit until it feels as natural as brushing your teeth. In week 2, you add the future dividend. Set up the automatic daily transfer. Continue your morning observation. Now you have 2 interconnected habits working for you, creating a small but powerful synergy. In week 3, you will integrate the expense autopsy, a quick 2-minute review each evening. The feedback from this review will start to inform the choices you make the following day. During week 4, you will carve out time for your 15-minute income engine. Find a consistent slot in your schedule and protect it fiercely. The system is now significantly more powerful. Finally, in week 5, you add the next day blueprint. This 3-minute planning session will lock in your intentions and tie all the other habits together into a cohesive, powerful whole. This gradual implementation method dramatically increases the likelihood that these habits will stick for life. You are not relying on a burst of motivation. You are methodically building a permanent structure. Let's look at the math, written in plain terms. A simple $20 daily investment, which is $600 per month, compounds dramatically over time. This is where the blueprint's true power is revealed. In the first year alone, you would have set aside $7,300. With a conservative 7% average annual return, this small daily habit begins to generate its own momentum, growing your principal. After 10 years of this consistent daily action, you would have personally contributed $73,000. But with compounding, your portfolio would be worth over $108,000. That's $35,000 of free money. Extend that to 20 years. Your contribution of $146,000 would have grown to over $320,000. The growth portion is now larger than your total contributions. Now, consider a scenario where your income grows. You start at $20 daily and increase it by just $5 each year. This is a realistic reflection of career progression for someone using the income engine. Under this more dynamic model, after 20 years, your account would be valued at well over $750,000. This is the result of a simple, automated system, not a lottery win. And this doesn't even account for the financial impact of the other habits. The expense autopsy could easily save you an additional $10 or $20 a day from reactive spending, which can be funneled into your future dividend. The 15-minute income engine is the true wild card. The income increases driven by 90-plus hours of annual skill development could easily allow you to double or triple your daily investment rate, creating exponential growth. The numbers are staggering, but they are not the most important transformation that occurs. The real change happens to your identity. Your sense of what is possible begins to expand. You are no longer a person who hopes to be wealthy someday. Through your daily actions, you become a person who is actively, methodically building wealth. You are a wealth builder. This identity shift changes everything. It reframes your choices. The question is no longer, can I afford this? But rather, does this purchase align with my identity as a wealth builder? This internal identity makes financial discipline feel authentic, not restrictive. Saving and investing are no longer chores. They are expressions of who you are. This is the key to long-term consistency. This identity is forged in the repetition of small, daily promises kept to yourself. Every morning check-in, every daily transfer, every evening review is another brick laid in the foundation of this new identity. We are at a unique moment in history. The technology in your pocket makes implementing this entire system virtually frictionless. Automatic transfers, banking apps, and learning resources are more accessible than ever before. The barriers that existed 20 or even 10 years ago are gone. The only remaining barrier is the decision to start. The blueprint is here. The tools are available. The choice is yours. The economic landscape of 2026 and beyond is defined by uncertainty. Automation, inflation, and market volatility are powerful forces. This daily system is your shield against that uncertainty. A person with this financial operating system is resilient. They are not dependent on a specific market condition or economic forecast. Their system produces results in good times and bad, because it is based on their own consistent actions. So here is your call to action. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Take out your phone and set a recurring daily alarm for tomorrow morning. Label it Financial Mirror. This one, 10-second action, is your first step. It's a commitment. When that alarm goes off, you will remember this conversation and the blueprint you now possess. You will perform your first habit. Most people will watch this, feel a flicker of inspiration, and then do nothing. A year from now, their financial house will be the same, or perhaps even more unstable. They will remain trapped by the faulty blueprint. A small few will set that alarm. They will begin. They will follow the activation sequence. A year from now, they will be thousands of dollars richer, with a completely new identity and a sense of control over their destiny. This is the architecture of wealth. It's simple, it's effective, and it's waiting for you to build it, one day at a time. The first brick is just one alarm away.